What's up guys, and welcome to Built. Today we're going to teach you how to scrap a car. Alright, so step one, the scrapyard will not take your car if it has fluids in it. So you have to evacuate the oil, the trans fluid, diff fluid, Freon, everything needs to be evacuated. Things like Freon have to be evacuated at a special facility. Normally anywhere that does AC will have an evacuation machine. Everything else you can drain and dispose of as you normally would. Once that's done, we get to the fun part. So there's a few things on every car that are worth money. First, if your car has alloy wheels like ours, anything made out of aluminum or something similar, then you're gonna wanna take those off to sell, if you've got the time, I guess. They're worth a lot of money just by themselves on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, wherever, and you'll make some money back doing that. Next, you're gonna wanna check if there's anything that sells frequently and sells high on eBay for parts. If you can find anything, pull it off the car, you can sell it and make some of your money back that way. And then there's one last thing that, especially right now, is worth a lot of money. But that thing is under the car. And so we're gonna have to get under the car so that we can take them off. Alright, so now that you have access to the bottom of the car, you want to remove the catalytic converters, or CATs for short. There's a lot of precious metal inside of them, and they're worth a lot of money to the people that actually buy them. So we've got one up front. We've already unbolted the top. We'll just get to the bottom here, and then we've got one back there that I guess, are we going to unbolt?
Probably.
I guess we'll unbolt. No need to sawzall.
I mean,
we don't want to get reckless.
Either one, go with what you feel.
Never stood on an oil pan before. And with that, the car is on the trailer. Now I will say that if you don't put your car upside down, it does go on the trailer a little bit easier. So now we're gonna go to the scrapyard. We've got our wheels off, we've got all 3 CATs off, we'll sell those separately. We've got our gas tank out. A lot of scrapyards are gonna make you take the gas tank out, drain all the fluids, puncture all your reservoirs, and they won't pay you for the CATs. Like, you just get regular scrap price for the CATs. So we're pulling CATs off, we've got everything else out, wheels are off. to sell separately as well, and we're ready to take it to the scrapyard. Now, you're gonna have a local scrapyard somewhere. You can Google it and you'll see one. Basically, you'll ride over the scales, they'll take the car, they have a set price for what they scrap cars at. It's lower than just straight metal. And then you'll take the trailer back over the scale, it'll weigh it and tell you how much weight you dropped off, and they'll give you that money. Normally it's a couple $100. Scrap, I think, on cars is pretty low right now. Let's go see what it is.
Let's take it really easy. Alright.
Oh, dude,
I saw some body. Oh gosh. This is where I've come through.
Oh, is that bumper connected to anything?
There we go.
Exact same weight.
What's it look like? 6,000, 7,000?
What do you say?
Hey, that's great.
What is it?
343.
Oh, nice.
That last one I scrapped was 150. Thank you, sir. Y'all have a great day.
There you go. How to scrap. All right, that is it. The trailer is empty and the Pilot is at the scrapyard. We got $350 for the car itself, $750 for all three cats, and $100 for the wheels and tires, which brings our total to $1,200 all in all for a car that did not run. So very, very happy with the result. It was fun to do.
Never doing it again.
Never gonna do it again. Hope this helps you guys that need to scrap stuff though. It's a simple process. It does take some work now with some new regulations and rules. You'll have to look up your rules in your specific state on what you can scrap and what needs to be removed.